Hello and welcome to the Sister Cousin Lifestyle channel. Today's video will be a clean and decorate with me. I've been decorating my living room over time, adding new pieces, trying to change to a more modern aesthetic. And so today's video, I'll just be sharing some more things that I'll be adding. But first, let's get some cleaning done. Since my last living room update video, I added curtain rods and some shears to the windows just to see if I would like the look, and I absolutely love it. I picked these shears up off of Amazon. I believe they were like either between $8 and $10 for a pair of the panels. Very, very inexpensive, but I absolutely love the way that they turned out and the look that it gave with the tie box and everything. I'm finally putting down this rug that I hauled some months ago. I'm super excited about that. I love the iRobot for getting up under sofas and tables and things like that. It's just amazing. Absolutely love it. Now I'm going to run a damp mop across the floor without the rug down there. Gives me the opportunity to do that because honestly, I don't do that often enough to pull the rugs up and clean. But anyway, I just have some hot water and vinegar that I'm using for this space to just kind of clean it up and get the dust off of it. These are wood laminate floors, so I'm not sure if I should be using vinegar on them, but honestly, I've tried Bona and I've tried some of the other products, and I always refer right back to my vinegar and water. That is tried and true. What do you use on your floors? Tell me below. I'm looking for new products to try because I don't want to damage the floors if vinegar isn't the thing, but I like the way that they turn out, but I don't want to ruin them either. I want to preserve them for as long as I can. So drop down in the comments if you have ideas or things that you've tried that you know are safe for wood laminate. When I tell you they had this rug wrapped to perfection, it was so hard to get all of this plastic off, but I'm really thankful because they shipped it this way and I would not have wanted it to arrive damaged. So it took me a while to get this paper off, but it finally came off. I did pick up a new fireplace console off of Overstock some months ago, and I finally had it put together. And so I'm going to go ahead and style it for the living room. Here's a look of what it looked like before. I love the other one, but it was just time for a change. I've had it for about 3 or 4 years and wanted something a little bit more modern and sleek. So I'm really liking the look of this one so far, but let's see how it looks when it's decorated. Now I will be going very inexpensive to style out this fireplace. This decorative box here I picked up from Tuesday Morning. I had a video where I hauled that about a month or so ago. I use it to store my remote controls in there, and I'm loving the way that it looks on the fireplace so far. And then I have this bowl that I thrifted some time ago, and it's a brass bowl on the inside, and I painted black on the outside and put some moss balls that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. The books all came from the Dollar Tree, and I just spray paint them to make them into decor books. I wanted to use very, very inexpensive items for this fireplace because it is at eye level for my grandchildren, and I don't want them to destroy anything expensive. So everything on here is definitely budget friendly. The glasses are from Home Goods, and they were $12.99. I have more of these Dollar Tree books that I've painted, and that's really it. You know, I just want to keep it very simple but modern and elegant at the same time. So this is how it's looking, and just as a reminder, this is how it was. Very nice, but I like this a lot better for now. What do you think? Now I decided it would look a lot better with a little bit of lighting under the shelf. So I got some of those cheap under counter shelves that stick on with command strips and just did that just to illuminate the items in here. And I think it gave it a really good look. Now my coffee table is thrifted. I got it from Goodwill last year for a whopping $8. I was thrilled, and it works for me for now because again I do have the grandkids, so I don't want anything that can get scratched up or messed up, so it'll be here for now. Now the items that I have styled my coffee table book with, they will be going away as soon as this video is over. I'm not ready to leave these out just yet but I thought that I would style it out the way that I enjoy it and let you take a look and see what you think. And this is the artwork that I added about a month or so ago. Yeah, this is the next phase of my upgrade to my living room. I'm super excited about it. I'm liking the way that it's coming together, and I really like the look that the curtains gave the space. It just totally changed the look. Even with inexpensive panels like these, it just really gave it the look that I was going for in updating the space and making it look more modern. And I have my fiddle leaf fig back there, my prized possession. I love it, and it's doing really well, so I'm happy about that. And so that is all that I have for this video. I hope that you have enjoyed it, and if you did, don't leave today without hitting that like button and the subscribe button, as well as the notification bell so that you're notified each time I upload a video. I love home decor, so I am always uploading videos related to home decor, shopping hauls, thrift hauls, cleaning videos. So if that's something that you like, you definitely want to hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss anything. And if you're a returning family member, thank you so very much for your support. I do appreciate you. And I hope to see each and every one of you over here on my next video. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day. Bye-bye.